Hi, I'm Diane, a co-founder of Rigorous Technology, and I'm here to walk you through how the box hopper works. Product arrives on an inbound conveyor. It can be on pallets or not. An operator will inspect it, potentially scan it in, and then accept it into the cell. From there, it will auto queue to the pick location. In the pick location, we have a sensor that detects the lead edge of the boxes because we know sometimes the boxes can be too far to the left or too far to the right on the pallet, and we want to make sure that the robot is always picking the boxes in the same dust flap every time. This is a high-speed machine. So this box hopper is at Accurate Box Company, and it is processing B-flute boxes. The max speed it's recorded is about 17,000 boxes per hour, typically runs between 12 and 15,000 boxes per hour. We can pick 1 to 4 up on a pallet, and once it's done processing everything on the pallet, it will pick and place that pallet as well. It'll sweep the waste off and then place the pallet on an outbound conveyor. So we're going to see that in just a moment. This is a real crowd pleaser for the way that the robot moves. Some of our customers say it looks a little bit like a snake, but overall it is also the robot kind of unwinding itself from its pick maneuvers. So here we're seeing the waste get swept into a bin. We can also do it onto a waste chute where the waste would then go under the fence to the operator outside. And when there are 3 pallets stacked up on the outbound conveyor, a vision system detects that it's full and it will auto eject out of the cell. We take a lot of pride in our user interface because a lot of our designs are built for the operator. You can swap configurations in seconds, and you can actually add new configurations in a drag and drop no-code interface so that the same operators who are loading the folder gluer are now able to be robotics operators. There's also a very clear alarms and diagnostics panel. So here I can see that the safety system is red because the door interlocks are not locked and closed. That's super helpful for operations because sometimes you just need to know what's going on in the cell to quickly resolve it rather than address a fault. And so we like to close out this video with a time lapse of the robot picking and placing multiple pallets because we know it's important that this system is a workhorse. It does pallet after pallet, shift after shift, month after month. That keeps your machines up and running, and it keeps our customers happy. If you would like to learn more about the box hopper or any other robotic system, you can find us at rigorous.co.